Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Balanced budget open economy questions get easy fast when you track how budget changes and capital flows affect loanable funds, interest rates, investment, and long-run growth. Start with the budget side. Moving from balance to surplus means the government saves more, so public saving rises, national saving increases, and the supply of loanable funds shifts right. Now add the CFA piece. A move into surplus means more foreign capital flows in, which also boosts the supply of loanable funds, so both changes push real interest rates downward. Lower real interest rates encourage more investment spending, and stronger investment raises capital accumulation, which gives the biggest positive boost to long-run economic growth. Well done! Scan now. The trap is mixing up signs or rushing. The rule is trust the given setup and check each step carefully.